Welcome back to the video, everybody. In today's video we're going to be doing a star in a box rod wrap. My audio did not come out on this video, so I'm going to do a voiceover and talk you through some of this process. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Leave a comment, like, and we're going to get straight into this video. As you see in this part of the video, that's a red open diamond, and then I'm going around the outside with a blue open diamond. It's closer together. So we're going to bring the red in and the blue is going to come out. So for every one thread of red we go in, and on the outside we'll do one blue all the way around, and then we'll go in one red, then two blue all the way around, and then another red, and then three blue, and so on and so forth. And it'll make it look like the star is coming out of the box, and that's what my goal is here. I decided to use size A thread for this wrap. I normally use size D thread, but I seem to run out of room because these are 7-foot medium blanks, and the rod diameter isn't very big, so I do end up like my wraps end up coming close together or touching together, and I have to cut them short. So I'm hoping with this A thread it'll make it more crisp and more detailed oriented. It'll be a little more wrapping because I'm going to have to use twice the thread, but we're going to see how this comes out. It's my first time doing it. As you can see here, the diamond or the star is starting to come out of the box. We're going to leave the center open. We'll tighten up these threads a little bit, and then we'll close the rest of the blank off. So you'll just see the white around that. I'm calling it a star, but it looks like a star to me. I don't know what you would call it. Star in, box out, because that's what you're doing. You're wrapping the star in, and you're wrapping the box out. And I really like how this is coming out, especially with the size A thread. Well, this is how it come out. I'm really pleased with it. It's not even really size A rod wrapping thread. I just bought a bunch of different colors from Walmart, and I wanted to try out that sewing thread. I'm just spinning the rod right here and showing you some things on how it looks from different angles. But I really like that wrap. It could be really useful in future rod builds, and I just like to have a bunch of varieties, show customers. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. I hope I get this audio fixed on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.